blue in colour. It says shake well before use. Sort of changes the colour a wee bit when you shake it. So maybe they have something in it to help clean the wheels. Cling foam action to aid lubricant and increase chemical contact time. So, got the shampoo. Bit of that. Wheel bucket. Grip guard. Mitt. This is an old Maguire's mitt. Just a plastic brush, soft bristles, soft brush or brush for the tyres, and a barrel brush. So that's filling water. I'll have a quick look at the shampoo. So this is a 500ml bottle, purchased from County Detailing. Garage Thearapy, never used their products before, so this is the very first time using them for me. Directions: shake well before use, dilute 20ml for moderately dirty alloy wheel. For heavily soiled alloys, use 30ml. Rinse the wheels, remove the foundation. Clean the wheels with a soft brush. Okay. So that's for that nicely. The other products I use when I'm cleaning wheels are Infinity Wax Incinerate Wheel Cleaner. Infinity Wax Liquid Fire. That's iron fallout remover, and that's a non-acidic wheel cleaner. So the bucket's filling out nicely, right? We'll check the bucket now. Okay, so we've got plenty of water in the bucket. Got the shampoo. I'd say these were moderately soiled. When you say they're heavy, so we'll add a bit. So it says 20ml, roughly. It's probably a bit more than 20ml, but that'll do. Right, so we'll give it a blast with a pressure washer and see how sturdy we get it. Stick that up there. So we've got the 40-degree nozzle on the end. Should do. Okay, so just feeling the suds, it feels very smooth, really smooth. So dunk the pad in there, get that a good soak. Right, so we'll get on with the first. So liquid fire, all on the inside, all over the room, start at the top. I need a new sugar for this one. Good spray. Soften all that iron up has come off the pads. The outside of the spray, especially on the bits in between the spokes, that seems quite contaminated, right? And just a wee spray of incinerate on this bit. Okay, well that has to work for the moment I'll do. Okay, so we've left the iron fallout and incinerate for about 2 minutes. See, it's starting to turn a bit orange, purple, even. So. Okay. So now we're going to start cleaning. We've got our wheel shampoo. We'll see if this aids at cleaning at all. You feel the shampoo. It's very. What's the word? Smooth feeling. It feels really smooth. So your brush is only just going to drag across when you clean it. So you get your brush. As you can see, plenty of suds on it. Plenty of suds. The brush, set it up, get right in. Rinse the brush a couple of times as you go around, make sure it's nice and clean. Soap's definitely helping with lubrication with the brush, so the brush is a lot easier to move backwards and forwards, especially around this area, around the caliper. Right behind here, definitely. Okay, so we've done the barrel of the wheel. Now I've got the brush, plenty of suds to do the face. Get right in these bits, right around the lug nuts, or wheel nuts, all the way around. Rinse the brush again. And all these wee grooves, get the brush right in there. Shampoo's definitely helping. It feels so much smoother and easier to move across the face of the wheel. Okay, so that's had a good clean across the face. Now I'm going to get, it's all the way at the bottom, soft bristle brush for the tyre. Get some suds on that. Give that a good clean. Get right into that ridge. Already been in the ridge. Go. That's nice and clean. Get my mitt. Plenty of suds. And just a good wipe all the way around. Oh, that's really working well. Some people don't use mitts for wheels. I genuinely like that. So mitts will give them a very good clean, especially the face. Here we go. Right, so that's that all done. It's all cleaned. So we've used liquid fire, incinerate, and the shampoo in the bucket. For the front wheel, I'm not going to use these two. I'm just going to use the suds, and we'll see if it works as well. We'll see. I'm not expecting it to remove all the iron fallout and stuff like that. This means for the general dirtiness. The wheel cleaner obviously helps break that up and loosen it. So we'll see if this works just as well. Right, we'll rinse this wheel off. So, this should be a label. Garage Therapy Wheel Shampoo. What do I think about this? Wow. Impressed. I'd say it definitely. I've used it twice now. So I used it on a Valet earlier, and then on the Volkswagen Golf R, which you see, which is infraceramic coated, machine polish usual. So you see that in another video. I think this will come out, and then there's a couple of videos to come out after this. I've got so much editing to do. I'm finding it really easy to film, but not so easy to edit. But right, back to this. This is the first time I've used anything by Garage Therapy. Also, price, really good. Quality, 10 out of 10. How did it work? So I'd say I used 30 mils. I wouldn't say I used 20 mils. Both times I used about 30 mils. So you get plenty of suds, which act as a good lubricant. Really good lubricant. And you're seeing in the picture, in the video, you can actually, when I used it on the front wheel, just with a brush and the suds, you can actually see the dirt being pulled down in the shampoo and off the wheel, which I was quite impressed with. I've never really seen that with, like, you normally just use Infinity Wax shampoo, pure shampoo, and I don't know if it's just because I'm not paying attention. This is because I'm paying more attention because it's a specific wheel shampoo, but never normally see that happen. So yeah, I really like it. I think I'm going to use this from now on. Yeah, definitely. 10 out of 10. Nah, I think 10 out of 10 is generous considering I've not tried anything else. So I think I'm going to have a look tonight. I need to do an order for pads and some polish and some other bits and bobs. I think I just go on County Details. This is where I got this from. I got this from County Details online. I can't remember the price, but it wasn't much at all. I think it was like £6, £7. I think. Did they quote me on that? So I'll have a look tonight to see if there's any other wheel shampoos, but I can't remember really seeing anything like this about. Not a specific wheel shampoo, that's the thing. That's what drew me to it. It says wheel shampoo. Garage Therapy. I think I'll buy some more of their products. Have a wee try. I think I'll try the Snow Foam and the shampoo. You know your basics. If the basics work well, then you know they're a decent company. You know, if you buy the shampoo and it's like there's near suds, just not there's any shampoo in the bucket, then nah, not for me. If the Snow Foam goes on, it's not thick. It doesn't clean. Just runs straight off the car. Doesn't pull any dirt off when it's running off the car. Then no, you know it's not a good Snow Foam. But hey, let's say it. The first wheel shampoo I ever tried, and I give it a solid 10. I've not having to compare it to for a Pacific wheel shampoo, so I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. Yeah. So please like and subscribe to the channel. There'll be a lot more videos coming out, a lot more content. So obviously you can see we had a couple of videos out, and then it all just stopped. Obviously that's when this whole COVID-19 thing started. We went into lockdown, got me work, and then we had to start back up again, try to build up clients, get clients in. It was crazy busy. So yeah, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Thank you. Good night.